Dang it. There we go, man. Thanks. Fixed. I'm not sure if you get part of the intro or none of the intro, but welcome to State of Crypto, one stop source for all crypto news and technicals. I'm your host, Martin, and this episode of 494 Bitcoin Pullback. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button, that bell so you're notified when we go live. What? Am I still muted? I can't be muted. I can't be muted. Yeah, I hear it. I see it. It's moving. Doesn't matter. Thank you very much for that, man. Or no, that's a bearish sign. I can't be muted, man. All right. Awesome. I am good now. So, we'll do this one real quick, though.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary doesn't matter. Thank you very much for the mic check, man. I already fixed it, but it wasn't going. Like, it took a while. I guess the video's lagging a little bit. Kryptonad, yes, I'm doing well. Thank you very much for being here. What else was I gonna say? I think that's it, dude. I think that is it. So, let's go through this, man. Let's go through this. Who's in the house? Soka, Chandler, Jerome, Korean, Battleside. Doesn't matter. Carthago, Kryptonad, Jake.
What's up?
Andrew, Salt and Light, Hotbox, and yeah. May, Jeffrey, Brett, Salt and Light. Yeah, I already said Salt and Light. Dirty D, Kryptonite, AJ Patel. Can't hear you, bro. I know. It was bad on my part at the beginning. Who else, man? So many people in here. Thank you all for being here, man. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for being awesome supporters of this channel. On that note, let's move on to the main screen. And sorry about being late. I had to make dinner today, and I made killer burgers. And yeah, I'm drinking a beer tonight. So I usually don't drink on Tuesdays, but that burger really made me want to have a beer. Cheers. Scott G, what's up? Yes, we have officially started. Thank you, Brent. Pin the Discord message. Yes, you're correct. I need to pin that message, man. I didn't. It was throughout the whole you're muted thing, and I forgot to pin. There we go. It's pinned. Badges changed in just months. Yes, that is correct. Batsai also needs a beer. Awesome.
1212, you all good now? I'm a DJ, so I'm qualified to do such checks. Any info on Ada would be great.
Right on, dude. Right on. Thank you very much for that. I really, really appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is good. Thank you very much. So Ada's just gonna skip the queue. It wasn't on the list, but now it is, and it's second after Bitcoin, right? We'll first look at Bitcoin, then we'll look at the request, because Bitcoin is moving down a little bit, and we got to figure out where we can go first, because alts might move with Bitcoin, right? Updating the list right now real quick. Here we go, man. I've been good, man. I made these burgers with bone marrow, with marrow. They're so tasty, man, and so tender and so juicy. So good, man. Kind of like want to eat another one, but I'm so full. Can I add link? Sure. Let's put link on the list. Chandler, you wanted to ask for something. You said putting my request in before it gets for like Ada. All right, cool. But you got to do that instead of crypto. Not, I don't put them on the list. But someone already put one on the list. Ada. So let's look at market cap first, and let's figure out what is happening, man. Bone marrow. Never heard of that. Ooh, that is the tastiest thing, dude. But now it's too much already. Can I add cake? Yes, I can add cake. Someone said AMP also. Like marrow, like, you know, when you get that femur bone of the cow and you cut it in half and you have that fatty juiciness in the middle. It's so good, man. It's so good. This is what marrow looks like, and it's fatty, and it's usually in the middle. And what you do is you mix it into your meat blend like that, right? And usually when you buy bone marrow, it comes like this. So you pull it out of the bone and you mince it into fat onto like tiny pieces, and you mix it with the burger, and it's so juicy, man, because it's like fatty and it's super soft, and it gives it a little bit more of a full mouth taste. I cannot describe it. It's so good, man. I've been dying to make that. It was really good. I'm double sub now. I never paid for a subscription, Lord. You pay my no, don't pay me your taxes. Make money, dude. Can you check AMP and the possible bull flag? Yes, I'll check AMP and bull flag, maybe. If you had never had it, you don't know what you're missing, but it's good. It is legit, dude. It's legit. What do you think of the market in the next days? We'll see. I haven't even looked at the market. Come on, Martin. Chill. You're hungry, dude? I'm sorry, man. I just had dinner, so it was really good, though. I want to share it with you guys. What are we doing with market cap? Dude, market cap, look at where we went. Look at where we went and we rejected the high. $1.71 trillion. We got very close to it. The high was 1.716. We have it at 1.718. Very, very close target. Rejection. Again, it's the high. It is fine. We're getting some rejection. We have not done anything too bad right now. Just pulled back 3.12%, approximately $52.45 billion. So nothing bearish. High to low, high to low, high to low. Everything is good here. Bought at 62.34. Let's go to the actual Bitcoin moves. Bitcoin at 61.25% of market cap. Again, struggling a little bit to gain some dominance, but that is fine. Right now, gaining a very, very small amount, 0.74%. Again, at 61.26% of market cap. So not too bad, right? Yeah, some of you guys are buying merch, and that is pretty cool, man. So what's that brief? Sure. Bitcoin futures, 54,000, sorry, 185, 54,185. Where are we at in Bitcoin? 53,624. Interesting. Merch, yeah. Lorraine Grimaldo, hi from Peru. Hola. Saludos a Peru. Austin CK. I've been in AMP since 0.006. Right, we're gonna look at that in a second, man. Right. Where's the ticker? It should be up. Is it not up? Is it not showing? Interesting. It should be. It should be active. There it is. It is coming through, man. So. Oh, the ticker, the other ticker, it arrives tomorrow. It arrives tomorrow, man. Doesn't matter. I got his shirt today. Dude, I hope you liked it. I hope it's good quality. I have not gotten the... I basically put them and you guys bought them the same day, so I haven't gotten mine in. I'm waiting for also to get mine and see the quality. They look really cool, though. It looks really good, man. The light ticker behind me. Yeah, tomorrow. I'm supposed to be getting that tomorrow. Hopefully. If nothing goes wrong. Let's pray it doesn't. Right, let's keep rolling. Nice shirt. Awesome, dude. Let's keep moving, man. Again, Bitcoin, some rejection. 55,406. We had a resistance there. We hit it. We went slightly higher. We hit and rejected. We actually hit, I would say, very close to this area here, right? And that could be the area that we just rejected. This closing here was 55,884. Here we didn't get that high. It was 55,874. So slightly more or less at that area. But again, some rejection is fine. We're close to all-time highs again, which is really good. So again, nothing here. High, low, positive, high, low, right? We're getting that crossover back over the signal line. So it becomes accompanied by some action to the upside. Right now, neutral. We're bought at 60.53. Let's go to the 4 hour. It doesn't have anything else on the daily, right? So we're finding stuff. Coming up higher slightly. Look at that. That bullish divergence, that bearish divergence, sorry, that we're looking for. The bearish divergence that we're looking for. It's still there. It's playing us to the downside slightly. And that's fine. Again, not really worried about it yet. It's just a 4 hour candle that's going back. We still have 15 minutes to go. I'm pretty sure we're not going to recover. I don't like the fact that it's a strong bearish engulfing candle, but I think we're okay for now. We're still testing this area. It could come back down to 50,000. That would be weird. And then try to recover a little bit. Again, not really worried about Bitcoin yet. It's looking okay right now. And the line for this divergence would be somewhere like this. So we're really far from that line. We draw a smaller term line here, a shorter trend line, I guess we could call it like this. We're still far from it, right? So again, not super worried about Bitcoin yet. Let's go. Did anyone notice a pattern change? Bruce, some pressure now, bearish engulfing candle, 44k, 39k buying targets. We'll see, man. I'm not sure that low yet, right? Bring facts in the house. They've been here, man.
What's up?
Let's do this. I'm going to go here. We don't have anything targeted here. We do have this head and shoulders complex and a measure move. We're targeting 60,000, right? We haven't hit that measure move yet. And again, the head and shoulders coming down. We might retest that neckline. Sometimes we do fail and we break back below the neckline. Let's hope that's not going to be the case for Bitcoin again. It does have some bullish stuff behind it to kind of try to support it. So let's go low to high, right? Target to downside. Where can we go? Well, main retrace we to that 618 at 50,000, right? The deepest retrace, I guess, or deep retrace in the main zone of retrace is 382 to the 618. Then the deeper retrace at the 786 will actually go 100% back down. So again, there's gonna be supports. We're very close to at 236. We might find support there in bounce. We might find support there in bounce also. 20. Sorry, at the neckline of the pattern. So again, not really, also not lost for Bitcoin yet, right? Here is there. Right. And stimulus hit next week. Yes, that is correct. Anyways, moving down slightly, bought at 61.70. That is it here, right? Again, supports. That's what we're looking for, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we had the bearish divergence. We were looking for it. We go down, we hit that 20 bounce. That was great. That up to there, I'm happy with Bitcoin's movements. It's more or less what we're expecting to see. This should be targeted to there. Do kind of low, and then still look negative, less negative still, right? So we're going higher with less negative momentum, and also low to high on the other side. It's all good right now. Nothing really bullish happening. But on that last move, we created more divergence. All right, look at this from here to here. Again, I'm gonna leave this one here just so we know we talked about this one moving down, hitting support and fine. That's great, right? Look at this, man. Look at this. By the way, we talked about this on the day stream, right? So that was fine. We had divergence to here on the night stream, and to here on the day stream. Move down on that, on support, bounce, really good stuff. Not looking too bad. So the crypto, other YouTubers are noting how much of a bump their ADA videos are getting. Our cryptos might playing with ADA in your titles. Interesting, dude. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'll start using ADA on the title. See if we can squeeze it in. I'm not sure what ADA is doing, so I'll have to check out in a second. Anyways, high to low, and then high to low also, right? And that strong bearish divergence, actually downside low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Nothing bullish right now. Again, strong bearish divergence still created. And it was an area that we talked about, right? We said even if we were to do it on a straight shot and jump from here or wherever we were at to here, we'll still have that bearish divergence, right? We talked about this yesterday. So look, if we can go up here to that line, we'll still have that bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. We did go up, we hit the target, we still have bearish divergence, and thus we're getting the action to downside. So again, nothing weird with it. Dude, dropping a little bit more than what I wanted to drop.
Bull market is not over. 0.00010000 BTC.
Yo, dude, Jack Pronk, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. I agree.
Thank you.
Bull market is not over. There it is. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Anything under 8 hours is chop. That's fine. Again, moving down a little bit. That's fine. Nothing worried. Not worried about it yet. That's gonna be it for Bitcoin. Someone said ADA, so we'll do ADA and then we'll put it on the title. Because I haven't seen ADA, and I'm not sure where it's at or if it's doing something that's worth mentioning. But we'll see. It's nothing that's stagnation. Yesterday we pumped 7%. Today we are retracing 4.94%, hitting that 20, below the previous 100%. Again, below 20 right now. Low high negative, less negative, low high neutral 7.61. So not too good for ADA yet. Again, still that sideways motion. Gotta wait for some definition here. Look in the 4 hour. We went down, hit that 20. Low high negative, positive low high. Negative plus low high. Neutral at 48.50. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Again, just that we had this hidden divergence. We're just moving sideways with it. We try to climb. Not really doing anything from here to here that is bearish. From way back here, we could say we're getting some hidden bullish. Sorry, some hidden bearish to put some pressure on that price to go down. That's the only thing I'm looking at, really. Which doesn't seem to be a lot on ADA, man. I'm not sure what other people are talking about. Maybe they're just hyping up. Oh, it's building pressure, man. It's gonna explode soon. It's fine. You got the free crow. Interesting. Again, that hidden bearish. Some pressure on the price went down, hit that 20, trying to bounce. It's okay. Brent says it's forming a triangle and it's gonna break up or down soon. Yes.
Walk into the club like
Yo! Thank you, Craig. Appreciate that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for the
Thank you
sponsorship,
very
dude.
much.
Sponsored by it's already in the list. Yeah, I know. We already discussed the triangle, I think, a while back. Or maybe not just for this project, but for a couple projects going like that and then extended that. Yeah, it's all good. Triangle's there. I'll just draw it right now with a blue color. The blue. Here we go. Here we go, and there it is. There it is. Awesome. The blue color. Blue color of awesomeness. Yeah. Let's mess around with the title a little bit, I guess. Let's put Bitcoin pullback. ADA ready to blow. I guess. All right. Go with something catchy. Red to blow, right? It's gonna blow! We don't know which way though. It's just gonna blow. From this high spike. I don't get the best touch points, right? So I'm ignoring a lot of data down here. That's what I was like going with this one, but I could go with that and still go with that, with the wicks. And we can go with the wicks here, dude. It's all good. Wicks are fine. Right. Because that works, right? Sounds like Andrew's super bullish in ADA. Interesting. Calvin. What's happening with Bitcoin? Yeah. Interesting. Let's move. Yeah, Flags is right. Thanks for being here, Flags.
What's up?
We are neutral at 48.52 again. Spike coming down. That's about it. Looks like it's following the corn, right? Let's go to the 1 hour, man. What is happening on the 1 hour? Jeez. Bearish divergence, right? Also in this last bit. Strong bearish divergence. Probably a lot of crypto hat. The same bearish divergence. Here on this point, like we're doing here on Cardano. Cardano, hello, and hello. Also, there it is, man. There it is. Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside. Low, high, negative, more negative, more negative. Yes, we do have that more negative momentum here. Low to high, right? Don't have it against our side. Just against the MACD, hidden bullish. Potential for stagnation. I'm not sure we're going to get it though, right? Bitcoin needs to stagnate for everyone else to settle. Bitcoin dropping quickly is going to make everyone else panic. I'm not sure we looked at H-bar yesterday. No one's requested it for today. Under 5+. Holy dumpage, Batman. Yo, I get it. Oh, yo, your day today. Yep, that's what it's looking like right now. ADA, that's it for ADA. Let's go to Ethereum. Hi, man. What's up? Ethereum? Yeah, I'm gonna look at Ethereum right now, man. Chainlink, interesting. Oh, it's so cool, Jeffrey. Thank you very much for that, man. Appreciate it. Let's go to Ethereum. The ETH at 1,768. Again, bearish divergence, right, on the 1 hour. I'm just gonna do it here because we're here, but like I said, a lot of crypto looks like it's having this, so wouldn't be surprised if we see this across a couple of projects, right? It will be like a phenomenon. All crypto created bearish divergence. All crypto is going down. It would make sense. Right. I mean, there might be some outliers that are still doing their own thing. Low, high, negative, more negative. Again, some hit bullish here. You have this 1 bar of separation. Whether or not you want to consider it, entirely up to you. For this part, I'm gonna ignore it because we also have it against RSI, and it is that hidden bullish divergence for potential action. To the upside, or maybe stagnation happening. Ethereum at 1,769. Let's hope it can hold. It's dropping a lot more than Bitcoin. It's 5%. Bitcoin is dropping 2%. Ethereum is like panicking. Oh no, we're dropping. What can we do? Look at Ethereum on the 4 hour, right? We had the bearish divergence. Pull back down a little bit. Went slightly higher, right? We're still coming lower. Look at that. Even here in the last bit, we have bearish divergence against the RSI, right? So we already knew we are going to get potential for extra downside. It's fine. It's fine. Smash it. Sash it. Smash it. Bash it. Interesting. Yes. Soka, what's up? Going down here in that 20. Neutral at 56.02. A lot of stuff. So Ethereum, that is it for it in the 4 hour, and then on the daily again we had the bearish divergence here. We got to anchor this somewhere. 1 hour stuff came over. The 1 hour stuff is coming over. No, go back, push it back. There we go, it's fine. High to low, low to high again. We're creating this hidden divergence. Starting to pull us back down a little bit. We do have support at 1,129. I hope we don't go there, but it looks like we might want to go there actually. Neutral 56.56. Let's go back to the corn. Again, Bitcoin support at 52,000. Sorry, 52, yeah, 50,123. Yep. We're down quite a bit. Don't like that, but we'll see. We'll see if we find support, right? Nothing bullish right now. But look at this. Look at this day here, right? Look at this awesome day here that we dropped 2.36%. That's how much we're dropping right now. 2.78. So we had those drops before. Just don't panic, right? Andrew says, good evening from the Great White North. Interesting. King in the North.
Hail to the king, baby.
Yo, thank you for being here, man. Bitcoin is fine. It is fine. Rico, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Interesting. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for joining me today. Today of all days. To join me in battle for the corn. That's it, dude. That's it for Ethereum. Let's go to Binance. Todd, what's up? There it is. Gavin's in the house. What's up? They've been here, man.
What's up?
There it is. Nate, what's up? A lot of people saying, hello, Mr. Gavin. Thank you for coming in, Mr. Gavin. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's really cool to hear, actually. And Todd, I made you mod. I know you said you wanted to be mod, so you mod. I dubbed the mod of the state of crypto. Congratulations, arise, so Todd. Let's go Binance. Hello. Nothing here. Bought at 61.3. That is it. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bought at 63.11. Nothing here that is bearish. Looks like it's moving down with Bitcoin. That's it. Higher, lower, and then, dude, are we going high to low? 83 oops. Yeah, slightly higher. So. There it is, right? Parrots and crows. Interesting. Interesting chat topic. Scrolling. Here we go. Again, bearish divergence. Nice your downside. Moving down on that. Right below 20. And back to the whatever it is, 22618. Yeah, 2618. It's fine again. Really doing a lot. Low to high, negative, morning, some hidden bullish. That's about it though. Again, really market's not doing a lot today. It's dropping a little bit on Bitcoin, right? 2%. Not the craziest drop ever, but again, not really seeing a lot happen. A little bit of pullback, that is fine. Neutral at 53.64. Bit of Litecoin. Kevin likes parrots, Jot likes swallows. Need more likes. Yes, we need more likes. It's good here on the daily, man. Hidden divergence. Action downside. Had a low, positive, positive, had a low, neutral, F3.40. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour. Had the bearish divergence yesterday, we pull back down, we still pump a little bit more, we still have the strong bearish divergence. Fraction downside, we're getting it today with Bitcoin Company. Here we already went down, hit that 20, try to find support, pull back up a little bit, trying to chill. Let's see if we can manage to reverse some of this damage from this 4 hour candle. Neutral at 53.40. I don't see a lot here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, right? Nothing else at play here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I know I didn't call this. We have this islands here, but against our side, we do have something here. Interesting, mister. Have some hidden divergence. Actually, the upside, pumping up on that. That's great. High, higher, positive, positive, high, higher. Again, that same bearish divergence across the market. It rippled through the cryptosphere, and everyone felt it. It was the bearish divergence of doom. Hannes snapped his finger, and the charts lined up, and everyone had strong bearish divergence. This is freaking bearish right now. That's it. Joe is growing indeed. New emotes today, right? New emotes are out. New emotes with the Seamus drinking and Seamus Bitcoin. Here we go, and they look tiny here. Well, you can tell that he's drinking. You can tell that he has a corn of bits. Going down, going back up a little bit. Let's go to RSR, man. Let's figure out what's happening here. RSR. Low. Dude, lower negative. Dude, less negative. All right. RSR not doing that good. 66.83. Again, it has dropped down a little bit the last 2 days. It was so nice up here. Why couldn't you stay there at 8.6? Damn you, RSR. Anyways, it's okay. A little bit of bearish divergence. Actually, downside. Neutral 59.49. Nothing else that is bullish. Again, pattern completed. Right, head and shoulders. Hit with the wick. That's it. Usually after you complete a pattern, you get pullback, right? After pattern completion on bullish patterns, you get some action to the downside. That's how it works. to relieve some of that bullish pressure, right? But they go. Full corn of bits, and I didn't get the first part, man. I'm holding some of it. I'm not holding all of it, if that's what you mean. So, yeah. I'm holding a part of RSR. Bearish. Actually, that's low, high, negative. Less negative. And low to high. That's it. RSR. And it's Yoshi. I'm not Yoshi. I was talking about like leaving, taking out principles so I can invest it in something else and leaving my, gains just to let them roll. So, are you telling me it's not only up? I'm telling you it's not only up. There is downs and there's ups and there's downs and there's valleys and there's peaks. But in the end, it's usually up. Usually. There's divergence, extra downside. Here's where I was looking for some divergence, right? From here to here. It's not going to play if Bitcoin doesn't allow it for it to play, but I'll be okay. I'll be okay. From here to here. And from here to here. Yo, what's up, Rex? Never been here. Yeah, I did Ethereum. I'll recap it in a little bit. Ours are some strong bullish. It's going to manifest to action downside. This is one of the few coins that doesn't have that bearish divergence that Bitcoin brought upon the land of the coins with this bearish divergence on the corn. Is this Bitcoin? Yeah, it's another Bitcoin. Here, with the bearish divergence. Now it's starting to pump back up a little bit. Pump! It's pumping back up. Oh, that's it for our start, dude. Let's check out the DVT. DVT at 0.75. Really not moving a lot. 14. That's huge position still there. Yeah, it's a massive position here at 17 sats. Let's get this in dark mode. Let's go and look at indicators. McDonald's indicators and the RSI. All right, I'm kidding. Not McDonald's indicator. It's not the McDonald's. Columns green, man. Should look good. It's looking good. Awesome. High, low. High, low. Low to high. Alright, some hidden bearish divergence from here. Just might put some pressure on that price to go down, but it's really not looking too clear, right? It's just stagnating. It's stuck at 14 sats, man. Let's go to a 4-hour chart. Sideways, negative, less negative. About, yeah, a little bit higher. I'm gonna zoom in here a lot more, man. Yeah, slightly lower, we could even say, but sideways motion still works. It's still bullish. What we're gonna make is just gonna be the medium bullish divergence for action to the upside. Yeah, there it is, man. That's it, medium bullish. And then on the daily, it has come down quite a bit. Again, more or less where we're at prior to the it hitting Binance Smart Chain. So it's more or less recovered to where it was. Not too crazy with this. Let's see if we can continue to the upside slowly. DVT done. Let's go to XLM. let's go to XLM, I guess. 40.99. Oh no, we dropped. Oh, how mighty have fallen. Let's go to daily, man. Again, we had the hidden bullish, sideways motion. We hit that 20 yesterday. We're rejecting right now. Falling Bitcoin, bearish engulfing candle. Nothing too crazy. Neutral at 48.61. Again, not really doing a lot, right? Looking very dapper in those glasses. Oh, thanks. I appreciate it. Contacts haven't arrived yet. Hopefully next week. Or, yeah. This week or next week. No more glasses. No more pesky glasses. Bearish divergence, extra downside. Hidden. We're moving down on that. It's fine. Nothing bullish yet. No other pattern forming here. So, again, triangle. Tightening on the range. A couple projects have this, right? Beers, burgers, and Bitcoin. Not bad night. I know it's a triple B night, right? Triple B. Beer, burger, and Bitcoin. And a cob of Bitcoin. Hello, hello, hello. Bearish divergence, right? We did drop, hit that 20. Recover, failed to get higher in the previous high. Continuation of the bearishness. And down. So lower, negative. I mean, we do have this tiny island. I'm gonna ignore it for now. I choose to ignore you, tiny island. And say, look, we have some hidden bullish. For y'all to see. Hidden bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. We also have it against the other side, so. Yeah, neutral. Sorry, sold at 38.38. Interesting. Again, might try to stagnate a little bit, try to go back up. We're expanding the volume bands to the downside. Oh no! Why? I'm kidding. Let's go to Matic. The Matic. TK, what's up? Holding stellar hasting years of your life? Oh, kind of sucks. Yeah, too bad there's no repayment for this, right? Matic pumped quite a bit, 37% right now. Indecision, probably moving down with Bitcoin a bit. And again, we have this bearish divergence here on the Matic, right? On the Matic. Low, high. High to low. And then high to low as well. Bought at 75.92. Again, bearish divergence, right? Can we target the upside again? Yeah, we can. We target from here to here. That's fine. This freaking candle went insane, though. This candle went insane. Can you do bat? Sure. It's on the list. Time for some new fibs in the Elmatic. Yes, we're gonna be filming it soon, man. We're gonna be filming it soon. Just we haven't made a valid retrace. And I can get some minor fibs here, right? High to low. Just very quick fibs here to get some targets to the upside. Already hitting that 618, finding support there right now. Trying to bounce to it to 618. It's gonna get too cluttered, so I'm gonna get rid of them, right? I don't think they're gonna help a lot. We just got bearings. We know we're between that 1618 and that 2618. It's for the 4 hour. Matt got the Coinbase news, but sure, man. I didn't really follow news today. Low high, negative, negative, low high. Nothing bearish, dude. Nothing bearish. Bought at 79.12. Thanks. Shit. I like the glasses too. But I need to rather do this with contacts. And how do those all right? There we go. Bearish divergence, action downside strong. Moving down, right? Bitcoin had it. This has it. We're moving down, man. We're moving down. We're bought at 62.84. Still positive momentum at 0.0024, right? Very, very little positive. Again, it's not the most exciting day right now. It's just getting pullback. We're getting pullback. We are getting the pullbacks. That Matic and GRT, that's where we need to go. The girth. A lot of people liking that girth, right? That project. GRT. Let's check it, man. Let's get on the daily. Matic was listening to Coinbase Pro. Ooh, interesting. Crow looks so good. Crow looked good a couple days ago. Talked about it. Point on the girth where you were touched. Yes. Above the 236, rejecting. Not staying there too long. High to low, high to low. Nothing here. Neutral at 55.29. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, we had that bearish. We did move down for a candle. Pump back up. Got rid of it. Shaking it off, man. Shaking it off. Right on. Let's do something. Gonna shake it off against the MACD, but we're gonna keep it against the RSI, right? Sorry, against the RSI, we're gonna shake it off. We're gonna keep it against the MACD. Here we go. Here we go, man. I took the mic a little bit today. I'm not sure if you can hear me better or worse than yesterday, but mic was tweaked by a little bit. What do we have here? Flag formation. Turn into like a downsloping flag, which is fine. Pump on that. Great. Had the bearish divergence. We said we could flag. Awesome, dude. Flagged. Then we pump back up. Great. I remember doing this one. I said, look, tiny flag. Usually brings continuation. And thus, we continued forward. That music. Music will be back soon. It's taking a break. The band is taking a break. They're tired. They play every day, man. It's live music that we have here. They keep on playing the same tracks. It's the only ones I know. Ooh, they're back. Low to high. And first things, yeah, I did anchor. I was like, oh, I forgot to anchor, man. Right here, and then slightly lower also. We have that hidden bullish against the MACD and the RSI. And even some of that support again, the same bearish divergence and the hidden bullish, trying to pump up a little bit. A lot of the markets doing the same thing, right? Already established that. Before I go into comp, I gotta look at Crow real quick. It's something that I talked about yesterday only. The Cronet coin. Not looking too good right now, but look at Crow. It hit our last target. Our last target. What target are you talking about, sir? I'll tell you. Remember I showed you guys this yesterday? This was my Crow trade setup. Exit target 4. 17.40 cents. 10% profit from entry. Oh, dang, I moved that. Here we go. 1740. Entry. Enter here at that 786. Boom. Targets hit. Targets met. I wonder if we did it with the VT also. I'm not gonna do the VT. I'm not gonna do Pro. They haven't been formally requested. I'm just gonna see if we hit targets. Well, VT, that's it. It ended at the 3618. So they all did good. Let's go to comp now. It's weird how many people's perception shifts. Like, oh, but I'm saying we'd only move 2% to the downside. Like, really? It's crashing, it's dumping, it's all falling apart. Everything that we built in 10 years is a 2% dump. Oh, some people really. I think there are a lot of people are overexposed, man. That's just the feeling that I get. Anyways, we're still floating here in the middle of this channel 100% to at 236. High to low. Neutral at 54.58. Not really a lot there. Not really a lot there, man. David, I think you must have a date in the Patreon chat. Someone's waiting for you there. Have Seamus play the didgeridoo? Seamus can't play. He can play the bagpipes. He can do a mean river dance. You just haven't seen him do it. Man, he's flying through coins tonight. Yes. I mean, the thing is that they're really not doing a lot. Look at comp, right? Look at comp. It's just sideways motion. We don't have any kind of pattern forming. Going slightly higher. Here we're slightly higher. Also slightly higher. That is fine. Hello. Like, we're just tightening in ranges. Whatever explosive move we could have hoped to get here to the upside got moved down by Bitcoin. Again, low to high, low to high. Nothing here on comp on the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. Again, see, not a lot. Just flagging, impulse up, flagging sideways. We're consolidating. So a lot of the projects haven't really not done a lot since yesterday. That's why I'm going through a little bit faster, because there's really not a lot. There's no other patterns that I've looked at. I've been looking at patterns all day, at coins all day, to determine patterns that we could look at for, or that I could look at for trade setups, but I wasn't finding a lot on crypto. Everything is already playing out or already played out. So no one wants to see a pattern that already played out and you're like, oh look, we missed on this. The crow play, dude, was from 2 days ago, yesterday, 2 days ago. I mean, it was yesterday. When did I put that crow play? It was a quick 10% gain, right? A lot of people like that. I would take 10% a day. Where this be, man? Where this be? Crow, yesterday. 1 p.m. Central, right? So by today, we already got it. I put it here when it was starting, and I was calling the in right there at that 786. It was going down at that 786, so that's where I was like, oh, that's the in. That's the in, dude. 786. But yeah, I was telling some people about it, right? I'm testing out some stuff. So bearish divergence to the music. Interesting. Hope that's not a bad thing. Also, bottom, not sure yet. King of pump. Low to high, negative or negative, hidden bullish. I mean, it's going to give some stagnation, maybe sideways motion, but looking okay. The flags is pushing for them likes. Ooh, there we go. Rico, what?
I just want to give a quick thank you to Gavin for buying my bags. Thanks for the munis.
Awesome, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Rico.
Thank you
Very
very
much. I think Gavin enjoyed buying your bags, man. That is awesome. How much did you offload on to Gavin? Rico hype. I know. Going back out, reverting. It's recovering. Let's blink. The link is here. All right, we can go IOTA. Link, here we go. About 0.5 Bitcoin taking profits because I'm a cheat. Oh, that's cool, man. I mean, we can do this, right? Oh, there we go. Yes, we can do Bitcoin down whenever we get to it. A lot of people just don't want to type it. It's so easy, man. I mean, I just try to keep things in order.
Thanks to Gavin Bastev also for holding my sack too.
Jesus, Craig. All right.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
All right. So I'm gonna update the list real quick. Cake. MP. Reef. Bat. Iota. BTC down. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. You guys are legendary. Thank you, Bortuna. Click on a comment. We're not guessing, but thank you, dude. We'll look at it. I already add myself, Jeff, and MA. I'll just put it there, right? It's fine. I already added myself, and I already put it there, man. Jesus, if you don't want to do it, that's fine. That's it. We're gonna check it out. You know, whatever. Let's go here. Hello, neutral F 3.83. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Can we have this hidden divergence? Track from here to here. Action to upside. Moving up on that. Higher. Again, this triple bottom of sorts with this throwback. It's really throwing me off because we should be hitting for target. I'm not sure this is our target anymore. Again, the triple bottom is legit, so we'll see. Yeah. Well, that's fine. I mean, I'm going to look at it. I just got to get to it, right? There's other projects ahead. It's just like everyone goes through the same process, right? We request everyone to do ads if they need an asset to be checked out. Hacker Jesus, I'm not sure why you just can't do ads instead of crypto. And then, you know, I check it out. I already queued it out for you, but I had to add myself to do it. Neutral 51.63. That's it. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Bearish divergence section downside on that. Here we also had dude, let's go back to 4-hour. Strong bearish divergence, action downside, going down, hitting support at the 786 around what was this, dude? 29.64. Right now it's sitting at 29.99, and gotta try to recover a bit on that. Let's go to the 4-hour round. Look, I'll show you, right? When you guys hit that at, it pings me in a different color. So I know when someone needs my attention, like Nightbot here also, right? So for me, this makes it really easy. If you do that, you get my attention quickly, right? No need for you to be jumping around and me not seeing it or skipping over it, right? Because you don't want that. I don't want that. My phone went nuts. Something's been received. Interesting. Let's keep moving. Antonio, what's up? Like under his face. What? Huh. It's all good. False flag says I don't think he reads anything. Yeah, maybe he's just on a rant. He's a man on a mission. A man on a mission to get Bitcoin down checked out by Aesthetic Crypto. Yeah, that's it. Let's go on the 1 hour. From here to here. And from here to here still. Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. Moving up on that. Great. Again, a lot of projects doing the same movement. So like it's no one's doing its own thing, right? I have linked twice on the list. I just noticed that. Interesting. Let's go get eagled. On daily, nothing. High to low, high to low, high to low. Bouncing at the 236, rejecting lower levels. That's fine. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Where's Bitcoin going right now? I'm not sure, Sneak. I haven't looked at the chart since we analyzed it at the beginning. It's probably bouncing a little bit. We do have a target of 52,000 and then another target of 55,000 that we rejected. So we're going to check it out in a little bit, right? Bear with me for a second and I will I'll check it out. A recap. I might do a recap right after Eagled, actually. Low to high, and then I think we had high to low here. For some reason I drew that line. It looked as though we might have it. We might have it. So, great. What is this? 1174 Yes, high to low. That's what I saw. Yar, there it is. Is this in the 4-hour? It is. Awesome. Bearish divergence, actually downside. Finding support, pumping a little bit. Holding that 236, which is very good. Very good. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. I can't talk now. Ooh, someone just got timed out. Weird. I'm gonna check it out right after Bitcoin, right? Just so you can like chill. Because I think you're panicking over chart. Low to high, low to high, low to high. Again, from here to here, some hidden divergence for potential action to the upside. I'd sent something to the 4-hour that I shouldn't have. And I just noticed that, so first let's keep this here. Again, that hidden divergence we're making across the market, it is also present here for action to the upside, so we're moving up a little bit.
To the moon PLS.
To the moon Plaza. Here we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much, Antonio.
Thank you.
Really
Thank you
appreciate
very
that. There it is. One up. Let's roll.
Adam and Golem.
Oh,
Thanks
two
for
for.
all your analysis. Cool face.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. There it is.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Danita. That's so kind. Really appreciate it, guys. Also, everyone that donates, thank you very much for that. Let's let's do this, right? Let's after Eagle, right? We'll put Adam and Gollum. Again, hidden divergence. Action outside. Let's go to the 4-hour. $59.70. And it's in, dude. I was gonna do Bitcoin, but we got tips for Adam and Golem, so let's do Adam and Golem. The Adam. Where you at? Adam at $19.62 on the daily. Rejected to 36, that's fine. We did 50 high to low, so we have this fibs here that are or retraces, let's say. So we're at that low at 20, high to low, positive, high to low. Neutral at 53.52. Not doing a lot on the daily. High to low, and then low to high. Some hidden bearish divergence, right? I'm not sure this is the reason we're moving down, though. It could be that it's just following Bitcoin. So, the corn burnt. This is moving down with it. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, neutral, 2.81. Again, action downside. Broke below at 236, finding support of the 20 moving average, which is okay. Let's go to the 1 hour. Again, short-term bearish divergence, strong action and downside. We have it against the RSI here. Low, high, negative, more negative, some hidden bullish against the MACD. Why are all the charts the same? Why are they all looking the same? Why, crypto? Why are you moving in unison? Why are you dancing together to the same tune? Anyways, that is it for Adam. Again, it does have some hidden bullish against. Try to stagnate a little bit. Maybe move sideways. We'll see if we can hold on to this. Again, if anything
Hi,
about
please.
hitting that.
Thanks.
Thank you. 1 second. Here we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary Marcelo. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much.
There it is. Awesome. Yeah. That's a coin. Ave. We could have it. Oh, Ave. Awesome. Yeah, I got it. It was a typo. Well, got it, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. I know. I saw that later. I just was writing out what was up there first, but Ave. We'll do it right after Gollum. All right. Wow. That guy just keeps buying tickets to the timeout zone. He must like it there. I mean, I don't want to be mean or anything, but Jesus, that was crazy. I will check it out, dude. I already said I will. Just give me time to get to it. Come on. Be cool, man. That's it for Adam. Let's go to Gollum. Yo, yeah, Sneak. I'll do Bitcoin in a little bit. I wanted to do a recap, but I got tips for some coins, so I gotta do those first, right? GNT. All right. Dot, sure. Why not? Right meow, Brent. All right, we'll do it right meow. Right after these messages from our sponsors. We don't have sponsors. We need sponsors. Hello. 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 Low to high negative listening. All right, there's some hidden divergence here. Have we not looked at this before? It looks weird. Maybe we looked at this here. Nope. Interesting. Oh, this is GNO. I'm looking at GNT. Here we go. That's why. Cut it. Here we go. I was like, wow, the chart looks different. No, I didn't. Is that funny, meow? Is it funny enough for you, meow? If you've seen the second one, you know what happiness in your household is. That's what I wish for you. I wish you happiness in your household. That is a funny one. I can't say it live though, because it would not be cool for the YouTube. But if you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Smash the like for the algorithm. Join us on Discord. Links pinned at the top. You see me eating mouse? You're mice. Bearish, actually. Schnallsberry says like Schnallsberries. I know. Right on. This is it. This is it. Hidden bullish, like a lot of the projects. I'm back up here at 100% high. Not the wick, right? That's just the bot. We're floating somewhere here in the middle of nowhere right now. It's okay. I'm gonna consider this low the local low. I think I simmed out way too much. Here we go. What's a CJ? If you gotta ask, man, you can't afford it. Anyways, had a neutral at 56.43. Those guys are funny, dude. Broken Lizard. Thought they were gonna come out with a second one for Beer Fest. Weren't they gonna come out with like Smoke Fest? They even had Willie Nelson at the end, like smoking a whole bunch of weed or something. It was a funny movie, dude. I really wish I would have come up with a second one. Anyways, low high, high, low, bearish divergence, action downside, bring below that 20. Strong bearish divergence at that, so going down. Neutral at 49.37. Can you please talk about ABC correction? Sure. Any tips, donations? That's bot. Recode. Don't aim to gain the most, aim to gain mostly gain. Yep. I agree. You gotta gain. You gotta gain good, right? You gotta get amounts. Because when you lose, if you lose big amounts, you don't manage your risk properly, you're gonna get wrecked. You're not gonna take as much profit as you can. You're probably gonna end up losing a lot more than what you take. So also gotta be careful with that, right? This is very slight here, but it is strong bullish divergence right now. I'm not gonna put a lot of weight on this because it's barely there. We just pulled back up a little bit, slightly above this area here. So we're going from low to slightly higher high. If you just want to say it's sideways motion, we wouldn't have anything, but this is hidden bullish. I'm not sure if I said strong. Tongue twisted. Sure if I said strong the first time, but it's hidden bullish. We're gonna go with that. Hidden bullish divergence. So. What? Where do you get liquidated, bro? Sneak, I will, man. Just gotta wait a little bit, man. I'm like, some people donate it. I gotta do their coins, man, right? After Ave, I'll do the corn again, right? Sorry, you're passing out, man. People have been waiting for projects too. So, just gonna go back to it in a bit, right? Again, Ave, let's go there. High to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 5.4. Nothing here. That is bearish. Going down with Bitcoin, holding support of this. Why do I have large? Oh, we have a support line there. 417. We're holding support at 417. So here, man. Alright, you guys. Brent says, I gotta run. I'm out, homie. Oh, thanks, dude. Thanks for being here, Brent. There you go. Your horn of hype. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Mosh, terrible for crypto because the end of Q1? No, I'm not sure, man. Some people say because people take money from crypto to pay taxes, but we'll see. People are gonna get stimulus, right? They might not have to take money from crypto to pay taxes. Interesting thought. And had a low. We're coming up higher every time. We're coming in lower. So bearish divergence still building, moving down on that. And then here on this last bit, here we have strong bearish divergence. Move down on that. Oh, great. Fine support. Awesome. Add the 20 and 417. Great. Neutral 54.39. Let's go to 1 hour chart. Yeah, I mean, what do you mean by it's terrible for crypto? If it goes down, that means you can buy cheaper, right? If you can buy cheaper, you can always add to your position at lower prices. So it's terrible for some people that bought at the top and now they're suffering. But if you're ready to buy it, you can buy at the bottom and add to your bags and really not be hurting that much. So, strong bearish divergence here on AVE against the MACD and the RSI. Action downside, moving down on that. Finding support, lower native. 1723, 1713. Slightly lower, less negative, lower still. Gonna wait because it's very, very close. If it drops a little bit more, we'll still have this. So gotta wait for this to drop. Where now we're gonna keep on having this, right? That's AVE, man. Again, really not a lot, just divergence, trying to find pattern, really not seeing anything here. We were just climbing, it was fine. No head and shoulders. Nothing too crazy. Again, a lot of the projects are more or less bland. They're trying to figure out where they want to go. Until then, we don't have a lot going on, man. Alright. Sneak! We're gonna do Bitcoin, man. Now it's Bitcoin time. Please stop stressing out. 53,596. Oh, we're pumping back up a little bit. Yay for the Bitcoin. Slow to high, dude. Are we doing this now? Are we doing this dance now? Yep, we are. Awesome. Here it is. The hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Great. Where Bitcoin going? Bitcoin undecided, bro. Still not there yet. Very close hitting that area, right? Very close hitting that support line. Look, I'll draw it here where it's cleaner. The line I'm looking at here is this. And if I go with the bodies, I think we're still a little bit off, so we'll see. Look at the body. Support, and we're still far from it. On the short-term bearish divergence, it could be argued that the support line is here, right? That we're breaking it, and now we're finding it as resistance. So, short-term bear trend. Again, we managed to get back above it once like this before over here. So I'm not really worried about Bitcoin yet. Right, I'm waiting. Bitcoin. Why am I calling this line here? Because the divergence that we have is from here to here. And from here to here. And from here to here. So on this, I'm looking at that moving down, and this will be our support line that we're breaking in the short term. On the larger term, we have the support line down here that has not yet been broken. Right? Has not yet been broken. Now, so it'll be from down here, right? Low or high to low. Low to high. So from a farther distance on the RSI, have that same divergence. So that's why I do believe this line might also provide some support for Bitcoin. And we're nowhere near there yet, so it's all good. Look, and then from here, right? Low to high, and then same line again, similar lines. So from here to here, right? And then our divergence is from here to here. Still got a ways to move down here, right? Even 49,000. Well, we hit that support line and try to break it. So we could have a lot of support on the way down. So we're saying targets to downside 52,119, to the upside 55,406. The 20 is still below that 52,000, so we might have double support if we decide to run there. Right? Depending on when we hit. So let's make some dude happy, I guess. I even typed it wrong. I know there's other coins in the list. I'm just doing Bitcoin right now, so I'm gonna look at this real quick. I want to see what the whole hype's about it, right? I want to see what the hype's about it, man.
I was wondering how you would suggest
Yo.
to track a portfolio. I want something neater than my Excel sheet, mainly for taxes and my own reference. I've looked at Blockfolio, Delta, and coin tracking.
Yo, thank you very much for that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is so cool. Thank you very much for the donation. Yeah, I don't usually be tracking my portfolio all the time, so yeah, what could you do, man? I think I have something here. I rarely look at the whole thing. I just go to whatever exchange I have my stuff on, and I look at what I have there, right? And I look at its worth. So I'll check that in a second. What's
BI.
what? Yo, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. Oh, I just came through. Right, I couldn't see it, but there we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that kind
Thank
donation.
you very much.
FYI. Yeah, we'll do FYI. Just give me one quick second, man. Let me finish this Bitcoin down thing. And someone was asking me about portfolio tracking, so gotta answer that. Give me one quick second, man. I'm looking for the answer. Someone told me Crypto Watch is supposed to be good. CryptoWatt.ch. I haven't used it though, right? So again, just be careful with that site. I just typed it there. Someone told me it was a good site to look at, and I'm not sure if you've gone there, but it could be of help, right? Check it out, see what's happening. Let's go here and let's actually go here again, and let's keep rolling through this. Let's keep plowing, right? Bitcoin down. What? We're on Perry.
Legendary you are. That is all.
Thank you, man. You guys are awesome for being here.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much for
Thank
that.
you very much.
I really appreciate it. That's so cool, man. Thank you so kind for the donations. Let's go here to the daily. Oh my god. What was it? All breakouts correlate. Yeah, dude, they're gonna correlate. I mean, this is the opposite of Bitcoin, right? Here you're betting on the price of Bitcoin to go down. So when this pumps, that means the price of Bitcoin is going down. That's why this chart works like that. If you were looking at Bitcoin up, it would be the same thing, right? You'll be looking at and betting on the price of Bitcoin to go up. Basically, you're longing or shorting by trading on this chart. So what is the thing with it, man? The chart shows a massive breakdown coming for traders and a big pump for Bitcoin. Well, if this chart pumps, I'll tell you what, Bitcoin's going to go down. I think that's how this chart works, usually. So I'm not really sure why you want to look at this here, man. Again, on the daily, again, yes, it was the all-time high. We rejected, that means Bitcoin dropped. Now we're coming down here. If you're thinking this is going to go up again, yeah, that means Bitcoin's going to go down. I'm not sure why you want me to look at this here, man. Someone's doing the Seamus call. Are we at Seamus's levels? Yes, we are. Seamus call. Seamus. Here he is. The Seamus. Seamus the Huddle. At your service. Let's roll, dude. Nice glasses. Thank you, Cozy Isaac. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
What do you want me to look at this here, man? I don't get it, dude. Hi, Car Jesus. Send me whatever you need me to look at on the Discord. It's easier. I don't have to be guessing what you want me to look at here, right? Because you can trade them extra. Yeah. Maybe. I'm not sure, man. You could. Right, whatever, man. We'll see. If this breaks here down, that means Bitcoin's gonna go up in price. Well, that's good if it's working for you, man. I'm not sure why you want me to look at this. Again, going like that means Bitcoin's gonna pump here on this chart, going like that. Bitcoin's gonna go down, but I'm not sure why you want me to look at here. So you want me to look at them side by side or whatever? Send me a picture on the Discord and I'll check it out, man. But I'm not sure why you want me to look at this here. So that's it for Bitcoin down. Let's go to Yiffy, double I, whatever, man. Here we go. Like Jern Finance 2. G for the second. Oh, Seamus in the house. We looked at it. Hiker Jesus, I hope you take a chill pill. We've done it, right? We're cool now, right? We're old gravy, right? Let's go on daily. Oh, we're bouncing. We have fibs. We've looked at this chart a long time ago. All right, we're trying to get to that 236. We're not there yet. The same power of the hidden divergence that a lot of charts had comes to this chart from other charts. From the drawers of other charts comes the hidden bullish divergence. And going up a little bit, hitting that 20. Rejecting slightly. Neutral at 50.03. Everyone's doing the Seamus now. Seamus holds a that belongs. Right on. 4-hour chart for Yiffy 2. Craig says good night. It's midnight here. Right, that's when the party starts, Craig. That's when the party starts, man. That's when the musters and the freaks come out at night. Bearish divergence moving down here in that 20, that's fine. Low to high. Negative, more negative. What's all good here right now? Cast and shower, that means Lucky Charms are going to start falling out of his bumhole or something. Bearish divergence, actually downside, moving down, hitting that 20. Find support, try to pump on that. Nothing bullish here, neutral at 57.50. Again, not really a lot happening, right? What is this? 67.38, 66, slightly lower. Again, bearish divergence, actually downside, moving down on that. The market's not the best right now for doing stuff. I mean, I'm not finding any good ends. If anything, it's looking a little bit weird. Mid bullish, might get a pump happening, right? And in that rally, gonna get that 20. Let's see if we bounce or reject. Cozy has like Tryptophan is the best fam. Yes, thank you for being here, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Right on. Thank you, Craig, for being here, man. Appreciate it. That's it for Yiffy, right? Again, if anything on the short term, I'm more concerned here by the potential double top forming, but I gotta take a measure. I'm not even sure we're gonna be winning target, but we are. Double top, break that neckline. I mean, we're reversing, so that double top could become undone, basically. So yeah, again, some indecision, potential double top for me here. Not really gonna go with it until we get some clarity. But just so you know what I'm talking about, I guess we can draw it, right? One top, two tops, right? Let's roll and do some fibs maybe, real quick. See if we get where we're at in the fib scales. If we did a valid retrace. Oh, the chart went zooming out and out crazy. It's crazy, I tell you. Here you go.
EOS.
All right, Marcel, thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
sure. Why not? Again, we did make a valid retrace. We only hit that 382. Trying to reject lower prices. It looks okay right now. The hour candle is really good. I know EOS has got requested. Give me one quick second. I just want to see Bitcoin real quick, see how it closed that hour, right? Not as strong as Wi-Fi, right? And opening red right now. So let's see if we can get more action to the upside here. EOS for the win. What? So no EOS, Link instead, I guess. All right, we'll go with Link, Marcelo. You know, whatever. Let's go Link. No, EOS. All right. He said no, Link, please. So I'm not sure if you wanted me to do EOS or not. So let's go EOS. Right, so we'll do EOS. Right on, here it is. EOS at $3.96. IOTA's already on the list, man. It's gonna be if nothing gets added after EOS, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more coins, man. 5 more coins. Oh, link to Discord. All right, I got it. It's all good, man. No worries. It's pinned at the top of the chat. Oh, you can go check it out there. So I was like, yes, and then it said, no, link, please. I was like, okay, I guess change coins. Last minute change. There has been a designated hitter. Link for EOS. Kidding. Let's go to EOS. Let's get on the daily, man. We do have stuff for EOS, but this is not the chart we'll look at. This is the chart we'll look at. Interesting. Why do I have a lot of stuff? I think this had a free rising valley pattern forming. I just didn't call this one out because it was already playing. So we'll see if we're gonna get target. So we're gonna start with this one, I guess. See what we have. We had the hidden divergence. That is fine. Nothing else helping. High to low, and high to low. Neutral at 50.85. Not a lot happened. Consolidation still between that 1618 and the previous high here at $3.62. More or less what we have, right? So no, we went low to high because we did a valid retrace. We're floating between that 382 and that 50% line. Let's go to the 4 hour because I want to see why I have this mess here. And yes, it is target. Look, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. I was considering here. It was a very short term pattern, right? So 1, 2, 3, right? I'll put numbers or something right here where I'm talking about so you can see it. 1, 2, 2, right? And 3 here. 1, 2, 3, something like this I was looking at. for some action to the upside or something. That's why I have small fibs here. Maybe it's on the 1 hour chart. This is confirmation line. It might have been on the 1 hour chart. Confirmation line being broken, hitting deep retrace target to 4618. So good move. Even if we would have gotten in a confirmation line here, 6%. Again, it wasn't a big move to play. It was okay. Again, part of what I was testing on writing, right? So, that's what looks messy. After pattern completion, we look for some retrace to happen. We know that. We know that for a fact. If you look at the Mighty Book, I'll just show it real quick. After, right, have change after trend ends of 30%. So from 34, and you have an average or a change after of 30% to downside, more or less. That's what the company handled, not with a 3 rising battle, right? With 3 rising valley, you get an average rise of 41% and then a drop of 33%. So we know we didn't get that rise of 40+%, so we're not going to get that insane drop here. But again, all patterns after completion come with a pullback. Nothing bearish here right now. That's cool. Like from back here, we do have some bearish divergence. Low to high. From the low to the high. And from the high to the low. Here it is. Here you go. Neutral at 53.51. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So here's clear. 1, 2, 3. I was taking that high to low real quick here. The play. Confirmation line. Broken. All good. Hit targets, right? Hit targets. It's good. Primary target hit, secondary, third, fourth target. It's all good. Getting rid of this stuff. It's making it really, really bad. So this was the peak that I was looking for. 1, 2, 3. Right. This is the third one. Hadn't broken it. Sorry, I thought it was the third one here. No, 1, 2, 3. Then we hadn't broken it, right? And we broke it here. That's fine. We felt it drop lower on the previous peak, so that's good. It took a while for it to play, but it was there. Again, I'm going to save this. Going to call this divergence. I mean, here, bearish divergence, strong. Action to the downside. How to look. Lower negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish right now. Neutral at 42.78. 3 black crows in the 1 hour. Yeah, this is a 3 black scroll, right? 1, 2, 3. But it's usually bearish pattern. We're getting some stagnation happening. On 3 black crows, what you do is you have the 3 black crows. You usually wait for the 4 candle to confirm. You're still going to go red, and then you open up your short, let's say, right? An action to downside. Right now, we got that stagnation candle. So, Bitcoin not having this, right? Bitcoin not having this. 1, 2, 3. We could say Bitcoin also had the 3 black scroll, but it's not really playing out. Ooh, dropping more. Interesting. Could be a break that we're taking for continuation. Let's roll to cake. What is happening with the cakes? The cakester. So on the 1 hour, I'm going to do the 1 hour because we're here, but we have this bearish divergence. So action to downside. How do as well? We're having to cross the charts, dude, right? Bearish divergence. That's it. Neutral at 51.28. So, not really a lot there. Because I see this is the best thing that could have happened. Build, you don't want to YOLO too much. Yeah. Do I panic sell Bitcoin? Not anymore. I used to. Not anymore, man. I think it's part of everything, right? You get like grow, let's say a callus to it, and then you're no longer affected. So that's why you don't see me panicking when the market's dropping or get super excited when it's pumping. You start getting control of the emotions, and yeah, for sure. At the beginning, Bitcoin drops were like, what the hell, dude? You know, it's dropping a lot, particularly when you come from other assets like stock and gold and things that don't tend to move that much. And yeah, but after a while, you just get used to the moves and the swings it has, and it just becomes normal. So, we'll go back to Bitcoin. Yeah, emotions get you wrecked. It's normal, right? We all go through them, dude. It's very normal to have emotions, particularly when you see yourself losing money, right? Yeah, extending that line. Became support, set of his motion, trying to climb. Low to high, high to low, right? I think it's very normal to feel emotions when you see your money going out. Or going down 10%, right? Particularly, I think it has more impact if you are betting a lot more than you're willing to lose, right? So yeah. Stabble, give me a second, man. When I go back to Bitcoin, we'll check out supports, right? Neutral 58.76. Again, strong bearish divergence for actually downside. Moving down a bit with Bitcoin, trying to recover a bit, but here on daily, high to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing here. Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. It's fine. Nothing else, dude. Really, that's it. I wish you had more stuff happening here. Like, it was cooler, right? Someone's asking Bitcoin support. Let's check it real quick. 53,180. Bitcoin support at 50,119 or 54,000 to resistance at 54,506. 20 moving average right below, right above us. So, you know, still this divergence is still building. We're still having this hidden bullish, still good, still in play. We don't have it still against the RSI. And the thing why I don't have any other supports here, so the last time we went up, which is here, I'm waiting for it to load, we didn't create a lot of support here, right? So we don't have a lot of areas. It was like pretty much quick straight shot here. We might be hitting some support right about where it's at. We can see that there's some candle closings around this area here that could have acted as support, and a rejection somewhere around here that could act as a support, but it's very, very close to other support at 51,200. Sorry, 52,119. So I could be waiting to see that play. So, you know, and then here we also have that resistance here, right? Around 2,429. So yeah, it could be that we have some support here. Again, waiting for it to drop, hold. Figure out where we're going to go right now. We had the bearish divergence. That's what's triggering the moving down. So there's no escaping that right now, I guess, right? Bitcoin's backdrop. Yep. Again, usually these drops in the past have been anything that's more than 10% is there liquidations and then the market rebalancing and a lot of people buying the dip, right? So we recover really quick from high crashes. And again, we know that stimulus checks are coming out next week, which could imply that people are going to put more money into crypto. There's too many things right now that I'm not really worried about it right now. Let's go to AMP. There's fundamentals out there that could help Bitcoin's case. Printer go burr, Bitcoin go rocket. Yes. Bitcoin go rocket to the moon, man. Rocket to the moon, man. Dude, AMP. Oh, this is ample. I was looking at the other AMP. This is AMP. I was like, why does this not look like AMP? We've done it before. I've looked at it. I know it. Right, so first things, we had this hidden divergence. Actually, the upside, we did go up, hit that 20, rejected, went lower. On that movement lower, we created this mythical thing called bullish divergence. Strong. Low. Lower. where they created this magical thing of leprechauns called hidden strong bullish divergence. Fraction of the upside, we get the pump into the magical 20 candle, 20 moving average. Right now we're rejecting it, even falling below that 382. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Cassandra, thanks for the stream, dude. Loving the tunes. Thanks. Calling from work and listening to your stream. Tunes got me cleaning the kitchen. That's a good thing. Awesome. Come watch often, I guess. Your whole house will be sparking clean, and your Bitcoin chill will be there also. Great. Your crypto chill. Huh. No, we should call it crypto and cleaning, I guess. Crypto and cleaning. Brought to you by a little high. Low high. And low too high. Hidden bearish divergence. Action to downside. Moving down on that. Yeah, this is also going higher. No, what am I talking about? Everything's going higher. Forget that. Scratch that. Strong bullish. That's what we had here. Oh, like when I charted the second one, I'm like, it don't look right. What am I doing? Where did my mind go? What do you guys do to it? 1 second. I'm back. T-Connect. Great. It's actually really good. It's shy with Mongo and something else. I can't remember what, but it's still good. Anyways, bullish divergence strong. Action to the upside. We're taking that pump, man. Breaking above that 20. Again, resistance line would have been here. Dallas Stones would have been here. Fun broke through it. And now we're faced with action to downside on account that we might have something in 1 hour. Anyways, resistance broken. Neutral at 54.75. Again, also moving down with Bitcoin, right? Look, beautiful. Broke and open right below that 236. And moving down, right? Find it pointless to give you 1,400. Well, that's probably why they're doing it, right? They're giving you the money so you can pay the taxes, so they can give it again to you later. Low to high, low to high, low to high. Talking about taxes, there's something really, really horrible that's happening with taxes. I'll tell you in a second. Neutral at 51.63. Again, there's some hidden bullish trying to bounce on that. Something that's happening that I haven't discussed today, and it's a topic that I was really trying not to bring out. But if there's talk about taxes, we'll talk about freaking taxes, I guess. Gotta figure out what window it was that I had this open in. Not that one. This one. So look at this from YouTube, right? This is the most insane thing that I've seen happen here. Reaching out to out because Google will be requiring to deduct U.S. taxes payments to creators outside of the U.S. later this year. All right, that's freaking weird. Like, I'm not a U.S. citizen. I don't pay taxes in the US. I don't get any benefits from paying taxes in the US. And now YouTube's gonna dip their hands into my pocket because I need to pay taxes apparently. So that's really weird. They'll be asking to submit tax to AdSense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct, if any, apply. Your tax invoice provided by the 31st will be required to deduct up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide. Jesus, isn't that good? Like, I'm not a US citizen, and now you're gonna take my money, or whatever money I generate, when I owe no taxes to a country that is not my country and I shouldn't be paying taxes to, right? It's just really weird, dude. And then they'll ask me for some information, then says, Google has a responsibility under Chapter 3 of the U.S. Internal Revenue Code to collect tax info from all monetizing creators outside of the U.S. and deduct taxes in certain instances when they earn income from viewers in the U.S. So, that's weird. So, for creators outside of the U.S., we'll soon be upgrading our terms of service where your earnings from YouTube will be considered royalties from the US tax perspective. So now what I've earned are royalties now, no longer income or tips or donations or ad revenue. They're royalties. This may impact your earning, the way your earnings are taxed and required by U.S. law. Google required by U.S. law. Google would deduct taxes. That's real weird because they said up to 24%. So it's just horrible, dude. They're already taking 30% off any donation that comes through super chat and memberships and ad revenue and everything. They take 30%. That is almost a third. And then right after, right? Like now they're gonna take another maybe I'm not sure how much, but up to 24%. Has YouTube even sent me money? No, the code hasn't gotten in the mail. It's gonna take forever, man. So first thing, right? Yeah, like they take 30%. So that's fine. They give me the platform. I don't have any problem with that. Just the fact that they're taking taxes. Well, not them. It's like the US government is forcing them to take taxes from streamers. For me, it's a little bit awkward because from the perspective of saying, look, I'm not a US citizen. Why should I pay taxes to a country that I don't owe taxes to? Well, it's because some people in the US are tipping you or giving you money. Well, yeah, that money already paid taxes when that people earned it probably. So now you're taxing me on money that people are giving me. So to some extent, for me, the way, maybe I'm looking at this the wrong way, but the way I see this is, so if I sell someone here a PlayStation and you pay me, all of a sudden I'm going to get taxed in the US for selling a PlayStation that I sold from Mexico, right? Because the people in the US are paying me for it. That's basically the equivalent of what's happening, which is really, really weird. How much does Cointree take off the top? 0. 1UP coin, 0. PayPal, 3% and 30 cents. And the one that takes the most is YouTube. But again, I don't have anything against YouTube. They do give the platform, so I'm able to do this. And I kind of like that. Yeah, dude, it's weird. I think they might be really overspent and they're trying to get whatever they can get their hands on so they can keep on paying this stimulus checks. I'm not sure, man. It's just really weird. That's why Bitcoin is away. Yeah, I agree. Bitcoin is going to solve a lot of those problems. So really, where I get the least taken out of, it's in PayPal. Then, well, actually crypto. Then 0, right? They take 0 off. Then I take PayPal. That is look, keep them top up all the time. All right. And then PayPal. And then after PayPal is YouTube. They take the most. Again, nothing wrong with it, right? There's nothing wrong with it. It's they give the platform. They gotta earn money so they can keep the platform operating and have the service to host the videos, etc. That's fine. I have no problem with them taking 30%. My question is, why does the government need to take or collect taxes on what I'm earning when I already have to declare money to the government that I have to pay taxes to, right? So everything that comes through lands in my account. I need to declare as income and I gotta pay taxes here. So there's no double taxation between Mexico and the US. So whatever they get taxed there, I'm gonna have to be able to declare here. And they're gonna be able to, kind of like offset some of that. Still don't know how much I'm gonna get. They're asking me for an ITIN number, which I don't have. And I'm like, geez, how am I gonna have to get this number now? Because I never have had to declare taxes in the US. No, it's weird, so. Dude, people telling me to read up. All right, let's read up. We're getting bent over at gas stations. Interesting. Bravy's getting better. Bitcoin's away. Why don't you swap? I was there. Not a lot of people. Actually grown a lot more here than I did there. So I like it here, I guess. Brandon started streaming, yeah. You give an idea. Alright, so dude, I'm not finding the idea, dude. Rent. Sorry about the rant, dude. Don't miss it. Yes, that's why. I know. It's hilarious. I know. Starts with email IRS. I know. I gotta email the IRS or do it like on. I gotta go online and ask for an IT number or whatever. That's how all taxes start, dude. Hot skins. That's how all taxes start. It's temporary, but then they notice that they get so much money that they keep on doing it. It happened in Mexico as well. Back when they had the Olympics of '68 or whatever, you had to. They came up with this tax for your car that every year you have to pay a ownership fee to the government for your car. And it was just to basically bring back the money so they could pay for everything, the infrastructure they had to go for the Olympics. That was in '68, dude. We were like on 2015. They still had that. Now they took it out on some low value cars. For everything that is over X amount, you still have to pay that yearly rate, which is dumb, dude. Like we as people just let ourselves get screwed over and over again, and like we never learn. We forget history. It's how it goes, right? I'm not paying taxes yet. They're going to start deducting that on the 24th. Tax for Seamus, I know. I got to figure out how this taxation thing's going to work. And I got to get that ITIN thing so I can get rid of that. Or not, like, have to deduct taxes. Maybe I don't get taxed. Hopefully. We'll see. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord. Sorry for the rant. It's just something that happened, right? I got that email today. I was like, what the hell's happening? Why do I have to pay? Like, my first thing that came to my mind is like, why do I have to pay taxes for a government that I owe nothing to, that I'm not claiming any benefits from, and now they're going to tax me? Wow. So when I go there, am I going to be able to claim stuff and say, yo, dude, you're taking taxes from me? You better give me something, at least some healthcare, international healthcare, you know, or something. If not that, at least just give me a residency or, like, you know, some citizenship or whatever, right? You're going to pay taxes, and you're going to force me to pay taxes that don't belong to you because I don't tax, or I'm not a taxable subject in your country. You should at least give me something in return, right? That's just simple. Well, remember, no taxation without representation, and the whole Boston Tea Party thing, and people leaving Europe because of freedom of religion and getting, like, you know, taxed by the crown and not being able to do anything. Well, we just changed kings for a democracy with, you know, that still taxes us. Taxation's still there. Kings used to tax people. Now the government still tax people. That's how they eat. Let's do AMP. Let me just finish. Bouncing, trying to get above that. That 382 right now. Nice. That's it. Someone asked me if it was a bull flag. Not looking like a bull flag, right? It's dropping too fast, too strong. So maybe in the 4 hour it looks a little bit better. Look, impulse up. We took a massive drop. We're not even flagging on the 4 hour yet. So not looking too much like a flag, right? Yeah, taxes are an interesting issue, man. Like, now I'm gonna have to, like, see how I can claim this and what, like, if they retain some money from me, why am I paying if I'm not a US citizen, first of all, and then what benefits am I gonna be able to claim from this, right? Like, I wonder sometimes what would happen if all internet, like, if with this happening, right? Like, YouTube already taking 30%, that's fine, but now some people might get 24% taken out of their income still, so they're gonna be taking over 50%. of whatever comes through YouTube, right? That's a lot. I wonder how many people are going to look for alternatives on the international market, and maybe YouTube might start losing creators. I'm not sure, man, right? It's kind of weird. That's like something that I was thinking about earlier. It's like, what happens if like it really starts to impact a lot of international creators, and a lot of people just say, you know what, whatever, man, we'll just go to another platform and build there. Like, it's gonna be weird, but something like that could happen if a lot of people start, you know, right now it's 50%. Next time it's gonna be 70%. Then you're gonna end up making a penny on a dollar, right? It's gonna be already a nickel on the dime, right? So it's gonna be half, almost. Supposing you cannot get any tax, or you're not getting exemptions or anything. Nothing on Reef here on the daily. It's looking okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. Peter Sommer says, here 51% tax and 50% on money we spend. Where you at, Peter? Because I don't want to go live there, man. Like, crypto's going to solve a lot of these issues, man. Like, I think crypto could bring real democracy if everyone has a token that they can vote with. And there's, like, no way to get around that. People might be able to vote from the comfort of their homes and just say, I vote against, I vote for that law. And no lawmakers are going to be passed in the House or the Senate. That people are actually going to be voting on the laws from their home. You know, the bills will get drafted there, but nothing would be passed without people actually voting on it. And that's going to be where things get really interesting, because the government's not going to be able to do a lot of movements that impact the people, I guess, on a negative way. Like, it's insane. Here in Mexico, you get, you know, the senators, or, you know, whatever these guys are, deputies or whatever we call them. But what happens, I'll look it up after the stream, dude. These guys basically get together, they'll sit down and they are like, oh, are we gonna get a raise next year? All those in favor vote and all those against vote, right? Those in favor? Yeah, we're gonna get a raise next year. So of course, if you're like one of those guys in the government, you sit on one of the Senate chairs, and like the bill comes to like ask whether or not you're gonna get a pay raise, y'all gonna vote yes, right? If you're just sitting there, you're just gonna vote yes. You're gonna get more money. That's cool. That's how they do it here. It doesn't really go through the people and their peers to be judged and determine whether or not they're doing a good job or not, to be able to say how much money they're gonna get. That would be interesting, right? Like, imagine these guys trying to pass their pay raise, and all of a sudden you're sitting here and going like, yo, dude, you know, I'm gonna get a pay raise, and then like all your constituents vote and they say, no, you're not, because you haven't done jack for us. You don't get a pay raise, right? That's the way it should be. YouTube members are green on iOS. That's cool. Interesting. Nice. On Canada? Ooh, that sucks. They get taxed so much. This is voting on the future. Interesting, dude. Reef, hidden, strong bullish divergence, section of the upside. Nothing here, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish. Low, high, negative, or positive, positive, high, higher, high. Let's zoom out more here. We're making a dragon. We're making a dragon here. See if I can show you the dragon. Like this This is the dragon's neck. This is the eyes and the horn that comes here. This is the dragon's mouth. This is the neck, and then here's the body of the dragon. All right, here's the body of the dragon, and here's the legs where he's flying. Here's the tail. It looks like Charizard or a dinosaur. It actually, I think we're making a T-Rex, and then here will be the short arms. All right, something like that. I'm kidding. It doesn't have anything, dude. It's not who votes, but who counts votes. Interesting. It's Trogdor. Trogdor. Burninating everything in town. Yeah, Trogdor burninating all the peasants. Strong bad. Strong bad. Was it strong sad, strong bad, strong bad, strong sad, and strong mad? Bad, sad, bad, yeah. And then it was Humster Wonder. Bat. Let's go bat. The Mushu pattern. Interesting. So I was actually telling the wife that, like, you know, I'm thinking about moving the stream to other donation types, but I'm not sure. For a lot of people, it's very, like I said, comfy to have the button there where you can, you know, put monetization on and just hit that and you get charged to your card immediately. You don't even have to leave the stream. And it's a little bit more of a hassle to go click on the PayPal and then do transfer PayPal, or go into the, crypto and then do the transfer with crypto. That's a little bit more of a hassle. And I get it, but, you know, I was just looking at basically different way to, you know, move for donations, right? To say, look, man, might stop the donations on Super Chat and say, thanks, but I'm not gonna take donations on Super Chat. I really appreciate y'all, and I might just take them on you know, I'm gonna be closing myself off to some donations, which kind of sucks because not a lot of people are gonna be willing to donate on PayPal or willing to donate on crypto. But if a lot of people start doing that, right? Like, forget people leaving YouTube. If a lot of creators say, you know what, I'm getting a lot of money taken out of my pocket, just tip me through this other medias. Like, YouTube's gonna see a decrease in their revenue, and they're gonna have to start doing something to fight back for the creators. Because right now, I think, or the feeling that I'm getting is that they're not fighting up for the creators. They're just trying to save, you know, their hide. Yeah, they gotta comply with the government. That is fine. But why? Like, another idea. Why does YouTube not have a YouTube Mexico and a YouTube Canada? It's all on YouTube. Who cares? All the money that comes to me should go to YouTube Mexico, and YouTube Mexico should just tax me on that, or hold my taxes on that for me to pay the government, instead of like the US taking money from me, because I shouldn't be paying taxes to the US government because I'm not a US citizen. So, you know, it's just that. Why don't they have all these subsections in every country that they operate in with their own YouTube that knows their local laws, and just say, yo, dude, any income that comes to creators registered in this country or that are nationals of this country are going to get taxed this way, and we're going to take care of that taxation here on our YouTube local country, you know, and then we're going to report it back to the YouTube global, and that is it. So no other government dips their hands into anyone else's pockets, right? That'd be awesome. Dude, I was streaming on Twitch for the longest time. I wasn't getting any views there, man. So it wasn't that great, and I wasn't picking up a lot of people. It was hard to do with Twitch, dude. I think the biggest platform for growth and where the most eyes are is YouTube right now. All right. May set up a PO box and let fans send me stuff. I can do that. Korean Bad Society, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is so cool. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that, man. Yeah, I'll check it in a little bit, man. I'm not sure. I gotta like log on to that thing. You send it to Brave, right? I gotta log into that area on Brave. But I did give you that awesome legendary, man. Instead of crypto, PO box. I gotta figure out how to get a PO box in the US. That would be the easiest way to get stuff to me in the US, I guess. And the cheapest to you guys. And then someone would have to forward it to me later on. Or I can set up a PO box here in Mexico and you can send me stuff to Mexico. Just shipping is gonna be more expensive. And depending on what you use for shipping, either the package will not get here or it'll take forever to get here and I wouldn't know. Right? It's just weird how the US Mexican post office works sometimes, but you know, I would have to figure out somehow to do it, right? That would be awesome though. If you guys want to send me stuff, that would be great. Just don't send me a turd. That would be really awkward to open on stream. Like open a box. Ooh, what is this? And then all of a sudden there's a turd inside. It's like, oh shit. Some bullish average is strong action to the upside. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Might get some weird stuff. I know. Coinless is full. No, it's not. Yeah, I can squeeze that one in. FTM. So I did go on a rant. Get a couple minutes. Let's finish bat. High to low, low to low, low to low. Or nothing here. Low, high, more high, higher. Not seeing anything here on reef, right? Higher. Maybe here in the short term we have some bearish divergence on this last bit here. Oh, not that, dude. I didn't want to use that tool. There you go. So yeah, this whole taxation thing was weird. I was really trying not to touch on that until some of you mentioned something about taxes. But yeah. So now I gotta get that ITIN number and then figure out how much you're gonna be dipping into my pocket for. Anyways, that bearish divergence action downside, that is it for this. Let's go IOTA. I think it was who was it? That was Andrew. You were asking about, like, you know, Twitch and stuff. What algorithm? All takes once. Yeah. Maybe, dude. You know, maybe. I'm not sure how much Twitch takes. I did Twitch for about a year. With a very little growth, right? At the same time that I was doing YouTube, and I also did DLive and Periscope. And the growth happens to be here on YouTube, man. I mean, YouTube is the largest content platform for videos. So you want to find the biggest audience, it is here, man. And Twitch has a lot of people that do go there, but it's different content. They all go for mainly video games and other kind of entertainment. There's not a lot of crypto people there, and it's for a reason, right? Everyone that's gone there for cryptos seems to be stalling. There are some people that are doing okay, but Twitch is probably less exposure. Yeah, it is less exposure. It is not the right audience. The tip was from a rant. Awesome, dude. I appreciate it. I do, but there's a lot of topics that are taboo, man, and I already got a community guidelines strike for talking about something, maybe something politics related. And there you cannot talk about politics, basically. You cannot talk about a lot of things. And sometimes I just rather, you know, stay at, you know, the edge of things and not say something, because I don't, if I get another community guidelines strike, I think I'm going to get the channel taken down for a week maybe or so. So I don't want that to happen. I think in the merge between Keep and New, I haven't looked at it, man, to be honest, so I cannot give you an opinion, Jeremy. But thank you for asking. Monetizer, Cody. That third, yeah, I guess. I mean, Cody's the last one. Tim Hoddle in the house. They've been here, man.
What's up?
Vocal sounding good. Yo. Tight. Team Huddle and I were playing around with the audio today. We tweaked like a few things, but I think they're okay. Really? Your Twitch stream is getting filled with people doing TA and stocks and crypto. Interesting, dude. I didn't know that. Like, I've been streaming there for a long time, just haven't picked up any steam. And you know, reason I decided to just go with YouTube right now is because I was having problems with the connection. Right, I was going through Restream.io and going through Restream. You know, I'm streaming from here to Restream, and then Restream sends the information out to YouTube, Twitch, and other platforms. And I was getting lag on the video, and I was getting frames dropped and everything. So that's why I decided to stop doing. And I just decided that like 2 weeks ago, tops maybe. We'll see, you know. And that part of that was because my channel got taken down for something. Like I didn't even get a warning. It was like a warning, and then my channel got taken out at the same time. Like 30 minutes after I got a warning for nothing. I wasn't able to check it out. So once that happened, I was like, I need to find different. I had to find different ways to broadcast, to stay afloat, and keep on producing content. And that's why I went to Twitch and Periscope and DLive, and at some point in time I was also going to Mixer until YouTube gave me back the channel. So yeah. IOTA. I'll update the list here. No more coins. I gotta write that. No more coins. There it is. Thank you, dude. We have a tight team of people. Well, we have one of the best communities, I think. Reels on crypto. Hey, hello. 4 hour. Right, we haven't done the 4 hour, I think. Or maybe we did. So IOTA on the daily, wouldn't have anything high to low, that's fine. Hidden bullish still in play. Still between that 618 and that 786. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, we do have this divergence. It's the bearish divergence, hidden. Sorry, not hidden, strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. I've been calling everything off today. Not off on the bad calls, just I've been miscalling things like bearish divergence, strong and hidden, and then bearish when it's bullish. It's a freaking weird day. It's a weird day. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yes, for socket. Interesting. On the 1 hour, bearish divergence, action downside. I think we already looked at this here. On the 1 hour. I think that's fine for IOTA. IOTA. Let's go to FTM. Low, high, negative, or negative. Some hidden bullish in play here. Do not crypto on rant. Forget where you were. Control 47.77. That's it. Let's go to FTM. Carthical says off to bed a bit. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for being here. High to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 58.5. Nothing here. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had this bullish divergence. We're pumping on that. That's good. But FFM Leica, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it, dude. That's awesome.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
I'm not sure what it is, but there it is. It looks like an evil cookie. Or a smiley face. I'm not sure. Interesting. Brett, I'll check it out in a second, man. Just as soon as the stream is done, right? Bearish divergence, extra downside. That is fine. Neutral at 54.44. Let's go to the 1 hour. I'm almost done, by the way. Just let me do Cuddy and I'll check it out. I can check it out when I'm live. So. We're gonna hear. And then what is this? 7301, 7293. And with that, we have this hidden bullish divergence for potential actually the upside, right? And with that, we're getting some small bounce happening on FTM. And strong bearish coming to play down. We're pushing back up a little bit. That could mean that Bitcoin's also pushing up a little bit. And that'll be actually okay for it. Let's go to Cuddy, dude. Can you please help me? I like to keep a comparison on a Bitcoin data in a separate trading view window, but I'm having issues with scaling. You know, quick fix? No, dude, I don't keep comparisons open. So I'm not sure why you're getting that scaling issue. That is weird. Try going in log scale maybe, or get out of log scale. If you're in log scale, get out of log scale. Go in linear, see if that works. I'm not sure, man. I'm looking at Cuddy. I mean, I don't think like leaving YouTube is the answer, right? I mean, because bigger YouTubers have left, including who was it? I think PewDiePie was talking about leaving once. He didn't in the end. A lot of people try to leave YouTube. They just don't, because here's where the masses are and here's where the volume is, right? A lot of people just go to YouTube for everything. If you go on Google and search something, it takes you to YouTube most of the time. So, you know, they promote their own content first. So, yeah, you want to promote or do videos, you got to be on the platform that's doing that, right? That's YouTube right now. Yeah, at some point in time, you know, it's like everything. Before YouTube, there was something else. And before YouTube, it was Yahoo search. And, you know, things evolved. Log or not, they scroll different when you... Oh, interesting. Not sure, dude. I don't keep a lot of comparisons open, so... won't be able to tell why that's happening to you on your case. Cuddy, no valid retrace, no pattern in play right now. Impulse up, flagging, low to high. Nothing bearish. Overbought at 75.11. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I get it, Ame, but in the end, like if you're trying to help out the channel, every cent counts, right? So, for example, when you think about it, a lot of people came in and donated today, and I don't have problems showing this. This is how much the stream is made today, right? $95. Mine is a Bitcoin donation. That was also for $5, so it's about $100 today on the stream. Out of this 95. They're going to take 30% off, so that leaves 70, and then once they start taking taxes off, they're going to take maybe another 24%, maybe another 10%, I'm not sure how much, but they're going to take another percentage point there, and that's going to leave me with $50, right? So, like, this is all from small donations, and that counts, right? Because if I'm trying to make this where this is something that could replace my full-time job, between this and other things, like Patreon and other, like, memberships, etc., this would start taking some of that, right? So, I mean, I'm not downplaying the $5 by any means, but yeah, It's all the same. It's still a percentage point. They're still taking 30%. Doesn't matter if it's $5, $100, $1,000. They still take a huge chunk. So, yeah, we'll figure it out. We can have a junior mod meeting on the weekend, maybe, or somewhere we can all agree to sit down and talk. But yeah, dude, I can try to do something. Just only finish Cuddy, and then we'll do that, right? Cutting the 4 hour, I'm not seeing anything, right? Some hidden bullish. That's it. Here we go. Hidden bullish divergence, section to the upside, bouncing at the 20, which is nice. Neutral at 58.50, not a lot happening. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Some bearish divergence, and again, a lot of crypto had bearish divergence towards this tail end before they're moving this down, right? Not being so affected by Bitcoin though, right? The Cuddy kind of doing its own thing, and that is fine. Strong bearish divergence, action to downside. Getting that slight move down here and here. Moving down. Low, lower low, negative, less negative, some strong bullish divergence in play. We're trying to bounce, but we're not getting above the 20 moving average. That is key. That is key. We're facing resistance there. We don't want that. We want to get above that clean and clear and with strength. Okay, I need you guys to tell me something. I'm going to activate something here. Let me know if I echo, right? Right now, I need to know if I'm echoing as I'm talking or not. If I'm not echoing, it's gonna be good. If I'm echoing, it's gonna be horrible. So let me know. No echo. Awesome. Sometimes I do get to echo, and the reason that I had this off is because it was a problem. So what I'm doing right now is if I activate this, you're gonna hear it twice. If I activate this, I hear myself, but I'm lagged. And the thing is, I'm trying to monitor, even though I have a couple seconds lag, because it really starting to hurt my ears when I have like the headset a little bit on and off. And these are like really good for noise canceling. So I cannot. You see me twice in the webcam now. Interesting. Funny. But the thing here is, since I'm not using the noise canceling stuff, it really mutes everything, and it feels like I need to scream more for you to be able to hear me, because I cannot hear myself. That's why I keep on shifting the headsets off one ear and the other to just monitor my voice volume and not really be screwing my voice or be screaming and waking up the kids or something. So I think this might be a good way to monitor if it doesn't echo onto the stream, which is really cool. This microphone actually has a plug back here where I could plug the headset in and I can monitor myself with 0 latency. But the problem is that I cannot monitor the mix, and I need to know what's going out onto the stream. So right now for me, and I tend to do this every now and then, I would hit this, the music will go higher. I'm not going to be able to hear myself right now because I'm not monitoring myself here. It just goes onto the stream, but I'm hearing the music levels. I'm checking everything else. So when I go here, it all still sounds good, but the music's lower still for me because I had lower volumes for the output music for my headset. Otherwise, I would be going deaf. But it's good, man. Yeah, interesting stuff, right? A lot of people leaving, but we're about done. High to low, and high to low. That is it. Neutral at 46.78. That's it for Cuddy. Not a lot. All right. Some bullish divergence strong. Failing to get above that 20. Let's go to the corn. Bitcoin chart. Here we go. Let's try to recover. It failed. Well, it recovered to its previous opening. That's fine. This is bullish, right? This is bullish. Right? You know why it's bullish, right? Come on, you know the answer. Look at that. We're pushing down. We're bullishly push the price back up to the opening level. That is real. We even gained some 0.01%. It's high as bullish, man. Anyways, Hot boxing says comp rock. Let's roll. Comparisons. Oh, dude, I skipped dot. Someone had requested dot. Sorry, man. I'll do comparisons after dot because I skipped over it. The dot. What is dot doing? Dot to the dot. Here we go. On the daily. Hidden divergence. Action to upside. That's fine. High to low. High to low. Positive, negative. That's fine. Nothing here. 4 hour. Potential double bottom with break line and then target up here at $43. We haven't gotten to that target. That is fine. Here, hit this from the 1 hour probably. Yep. It's bearish divergence from the 1 hour. That is fine. Again, here we have this move. Again, the hit divergence. Moving up. Retracing nicely. Again, double bottom into play. It's all good. Getting above that. What line do I have here? It's 100% retrace up here, so we're not there yet. I do have it's 100% retrace here to this spike, which is what I used to measure. So it's looking good here. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Let's go to 1 hour. Higher and then positive to negative, or not positive. Positive to less positive. See what I'm saying? I'm calling everything off today. There we go. We don't have it here. Low, high, negative, more, negative. All right. So on that note, we have this hidden bullish divergence per action to the upside. So with that, action to the upside. Neutral at 55.66. No, bro. No more requests. That's it. Dot is the last one. So, someone said, yo, check out the Bitcoin. Compare it with the Ethereum. And compare it with ADA. So, this is the Gemini Bitcoin. We're going to go Ethereum, USD. Do I have the Gemini? And the other one is ADA. I think we're gonna get this on Gemini. So I'm gonna go with. What do you mean scaling issue, dude? Oh, Marcelo, yeah. I'll do that, bro. NPX, sorry.
PundiX, NPXS, thanks.
There it is.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much. Bitcoin is falling. Yeah. Yeah, it's showing here as candles. Let's get this as candles. To their own window. All right. I just gotta screw how I look at things. Do you want to do that one? That's what I did. Then go here. There we go. Oh, that's the Bollinger. There we go. So I'm seeing them. They're in percentage points, right? So I'm scaling out. And I'm scaling. So they look okay. What? Andrew, dude, I don't get why you want me to look at this here, man. Yeah, what he did cut it, dude. Thanks for asking. Earning point. So I'm not sure, dude. All right. Everything's some percentage points. Let's get out a percentage. I'm zooming out. It still looks okay, so I'm not sure why you want me to look at here, man. Dude, I had them all in the same window, and then you wanted me to put them panes. Now I'm not gonna remove the oscillators, dude. It's gonna remove all the lines that I have. So I don't want to lose all those lines. I mean, I'll put them in the same window again, but there we go. That's it. So they shift up and down, and so you're looking at. Not sure. If this is because they're moving up and down, it's because they're adjusting to the percentages they've been gaining, then accounting for the spike. So that's why everything moves up and down within the scale. So I wouldn't be looking at this all in the same window. Now my chart's stuck. There we go, get rid of that. And get rid of this as well. Yeah. Anyways, we got a request for Ed and PSX. That's it. That's the last thing we're going to look at. Dude, NPX. There we go. Pundy. Pundy at 0.2 cents. Low, high. Alright, let's go to daily. I don't even remember when we last looked at this way back here. So I'm going to get rid of all the drawings for this. And we can start fresh. So, low to high, right? Made a valid retrace. Close to 50%, holding on to the 382. Right now getting above that 236 and climbing, so it's good. Again, same bullish divergence that all crypto had here. Almost all crypto. Again, a lot of coins seems like they were moving in unison here. Getting that recovery, that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. Coming down from here to here. Again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, going up, high to low, high to low, high to low. Then here's good. Yep, let's go to the 1 hour. There is some bearish divergence, strong against the RSI. Right here and from here to here. And with that, we are looking at that potential movement to the downside, right? Consolidation happening. We did wick down, but we're holding on support at that 236, which is fine. Not seeing anything else that is bullish. Low high. Thing here. Low high. Bought at 62.91. That is it. That is it for Pundi. Yeah, not really a lot. Right? Not really a lot. Trying to see if I can find any pattern, right? But I'm not seeing it. Let's get targets high to low. See where we can go. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Could be going for that 1618. We haven't hit it yet. We're above that 100% here. And we could be trying to go for a run if we hold on support. I'm not sure if that bearish divergence is going to allow right now. On that note, let's go back to the Bitcoin and sign off. We've been live for 2 hours and a half, maybe. It's a short stream, but I'm feeling really tired already. So I'm going to call it a night. Bitcoin trying to climb a little bit. Great. Again, impulse down. App sloping consolidation, usually bearish. We'll see what's going to happen, right? Dude, Marcelo, thank you very much for the donations, man. I really appreciate it. I do hope we can get more stuff happening on the coins that you donated for, but a lot of the market's really not showing a lot today, right? Someone sent me something here. Yeah, that could work. DJ Bergie. Sorry, Bergie. Thanks for that, man. That is it, guys. I am done for right now. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Twitter Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking, subscribing, hitting the bell. Tipping, becoming members, joining Patreon, buying merch. Again, thank you very much for that. That's gonna be it for tonight. Again, remember, all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and education purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. That's what I have to say. I'm not a financial advisor. And talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your co-workers. Let them know that we are here. Again, hit the like, the bell, and the sub on the way out. If you hit the like once, don't do it again. That's you. Sounds like Fergie. All right. Interesting. Bergie. Interesting. Yo, that's going to be it, man. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for liking, for your time. Let's hope tomorrow the markets have something better in store for us. With that note, that's going to be it for tonight. Thank you for hanging out. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Twitter Crypto.